When you invite a staff member or the client into their ZonGuru file, they'll get an email into their inbox asking them to accept the invitation. This is what it looks like. When they click accept invitation, it's going to navigate them to the ZonGuru login screen. But they need to click I do not have an account yet, create an account. Obviously, they are new ZonGuru users and we want them to set up their individual login credentials and add in their name, their email address, and their unique password. This keeps all credentials safe and only accessible to that user. Once they've logged in, they will be then invited to accept the assistant invite, click OK, and then they're in the file. What you'll notice is that to access the account that they've been invited into, they'll just need to navigate after login to this Assistant Accounts tab and then click Manage. Once they click Manage, it's going to take them straight into that individual file. They will not get access to the ZonGuru agency dashboard, only those tools that you've specifically given them authority to use. So I can see now that all these tools are unlocked and I have access. If I'm managing multiple accounts, I can simply from the top right menu here, click Go Back to My Account, and then I could click Manage on the next file that I want to jump into. And this example, I've only been given access to one, but I would be able to scroll down and see those others here. I could also remove my access at any time if I was no longer associated with that file. So it's as simple as that. If you have any questions on how this process works or need help setting this up for your clients, just reach out to support and we'll be happy to help you.